The 2011 Yamaha XJ6F is a versatile mid-range sport touring motorcycle designed for both urban commuting and long-distance rides. As part of Yamaha's XJ6 series, it offers a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and affordability. The XJ6F features a half-fairing design, providing better wind protection than its naked counterpart, XJ6N, while maintaining an agile and sporty stance. It was positioned as an accessible yet capable machine for intermediate riders and daily commuters. Engine and performance. Powering the XJ6F is a 600 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, inline-4 engine, derived from Yamaha's sportier FZ6 but retuned for smoother, more manageable power delivery. It produces 77.4 horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 43.4 lb-ft of torque at 8,000 RPM, making it responsive without being overly aggressive. The engine excels in mid-range power, ideal for city riding and highway cruising, while the 6-speed transmission ensures refined gear shifts. Chassis and handling. The bike rides on a steel diamond-type frame, offering a stable yet lightweight platform. With a rake of 25 degrees and a wheelbase of 1,440 mm, the XJ6F strikes a balance between agility and stability. Suspension duties are handled by a 41 mm telescopic fork up front and a link-type monocross rear shock, providing a comfortable yet controlled ride. The bike's curb weight of 212 kilograms keeps it manageable for riders of varying experience levels. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is solid, with a 298 mm dual disc setup at the front and a 245 mm single disc at the rear, both equipped with ABS, optional in some markets. The braking system offers progressive stopping power, instilling confidence in varied conditions. While not as advanced as higher-end sport bikes, the setup is more than sufficient for the XJ6F's intended use. Ergonomics and comfort. The XJ6F prioritizes rider comfort with an upright riding position, slightly raised handlebars, and a well-padded seat. The half-fairing reduces wind fatigue on longer rides, making it more touring-friendly than naked bikes. The seat height of 785 mm accommodates most riders, while the footpeg positioning ensures a relaxed knee bend. Design and styling. Yamaha's design language for the XJ6F blends sportiness with practicality. The half-fairing features sharp lines and a small windscreen, giving it a dynamic look. The twin headlight setup and muscular fuel tank add to its aggressive appeal. While not as flashy as full-fared sport bikes, the XJ6F maintains a sleek, modern aesthetic. Technology and instrumentation. The dashboard is simple but functional, featuring an analog tachometer and a digital speedometer, along with basic readouts like fuel level, trip meter, and gear indicator. While lacking advanced electronics like ride modes or traction control, common in newer bikes, the XJ6F's straightforward layout keeps it user-friendly. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With a 17.5-liter fuel tank and an average fuel consumption of around 50 miles per gallon, 5.6 L/100 km, the XJ6F offers a decent range of 200+ miles per tank. This makes it an economical choice for daily commuting and weekend trips. The underseat storage is minimal, but the bike can easily accommodate saddlebags for touring. Market position and competitors. In 2011, the XJ6F competed with bikes like the Honda CB600F Hornet, Kawasaki R6F, and Suzuki Gladius. Its advantage lay in its smooth 4-cylinder engine, which provided a more refined experience compared to twin-cylinder rivals. However, it lacked some of the advanced features found in pricier alternatives. Verdict and legacy. The 2011 Yamaha XJ6F is a well-rounded motorcycle that excels in versatility, comfort, and everyday usability. While not the most powerful or tech-laden bike in its class, it delivers a reliable, engaging ride suitable for both new and experienced riders. Its legacy lies in being an accessible, practical middleweight that bridges the gap between sport and touring motorcycles. For riders seeking a balanced, do-it-all machine, the XJ6F remains a compelling choice even years after its release.